Hi, this is the making of Inyaganyaga ematrasini. Usphiwe lo kaNkosi udlala naye uRascott. Scotch never die by mistake. Anyi out nje crappy. Story singing into iningi but mostly is circulate around Inyaganyaga ematrasini. Today siga bra Josh's Tavern or Josh's Inn. Unezinje eziluma into engasuka umphathi lo muntu. Ziluma very strong ama-killer dogs but asikho lapho sise ku-making ye-nyakanyaka ematrasini khona usisoceda ukusuka la umuhle kakhulu umashiya thena wethu ongenza ama-make-offs asifaka ama-baking powder sondela sisithandi nam sisithandi lona yini engekhohliwe konje sisemabuya yini le leyi fosilora siyangitrabha ningixolele ngathi angihlale e-East Rand but ngiyazi yonke angazi amagama senza le movie lena sizobe sisecurate kusesecurate kakhulu nobuthongo beyazenzela asisazi isikhathi sokuvuka nesokulala ile nyakanyaka ematrasini nenini bakutshela ukuthi lana kusemfundo park yabona lana ke sowusemabuya lana sowuse extension 28 phase 40 phase 4 into ezifana nalezo. We hope you are going to enjoy this. Ibhalwe umfana wami wevenda ubig guy abanye bambiza uchamp uravele wakanthulwane nyakanyaka ematrasini ungakhohlwa. Thank you.
Wena uthembeki uyazazi
After 2 years kuphi? 4.
Bashiyela something.
Chocolate.
imihlolo engaka nyakanyaka ematrasini